Hi, my name is Paul Linser, and I have been faculty at the University of Florida Whitney Lab for about 28 years. My association on campus is with actually 6 different graduate departments, so I have graduate faculty status in a broad range of departments for attracting new students. My primary appointment is in anatomy and cell biology in the College of Medicine. For the last 13 years, or thereabouts, my laboratory has focused on the fundamental biology of the most dangerous animal on planet Earth. According to the World Health Organization, mosquitoes are in fact the most dangerous animal on Earth, killing more people than any other animal by a very large margin. The diseases that mosquitoes vector are responsible for millions of deaths every year. In my laboratory, we focus on a specific part of the life cycle. Mosquitoes live in an aquatic version, which is termed a larva, and in an airborne version, the adult that we're all familiar with. At any given time on planet Earth, most of the mosquitoes on Earth are actually larvae, and I work on the biology of larvae from the perspective of how they initiate the digestion of their food. They have a relatively unique digestive strategy, which involves taking in food and dumping it into a vat of highly basic fluids. In most organisms on planet Earth, the initiation of digestion is at an acid pH. The relative uniqueness of using a basic pH to initiate digestion is a potential target for regulatory mechanisms for ways of developing strategies for killing mosquitoes and alleviating the disease burden that they represent. So we are focused on using a range of techniques, including state-of-the-art molecular biology, imaging technology, physiology, and biochemistry, to assess how it is that the mosquito brings about this basic pH environment in the gut and how that process can be interrupted. It turns out that mosquitoes are, in fact, marine in some species in this part of the world. About half of the complaints from bites of mosquitoes come from the salt marsh mosquito, which in fact at the larval stage does in fact live in the marine environment surrounding the Whitney laboratory. Our long-term goal is to develop new environmentally safe strategies for controlling mosquitoes and then impact, of course, the disease burden that they represent.